Welcome back to A Great Place to Learn. I am Jennifer, one of the CEOs of the Martin Scholars, and today I'm going to show you how to register your teacher account and create a class using Kash-In.com.
It's just different.
First, you want to go to Kash-In.com and select Teacher Registration. Fill in all of the required fields. I would suggest writing down your username and password because login is case sensitive. Choose File tab will allow you to choose your profile picture. Just be mindful of your photo selection as this feature is unable to be changed at the moment. Once you've completed all of the necessary fields, select Register. You have just registered your teacher account. Once you're logged in, you want to locate the toolbar on your left. This is an important toolbar as you'll use it to navigate throughout the entire site. Select Class, hit Add, and just give brief details about your class. I'm going to name my class Reading Interventions, description, Level 1 Readers, Notes, Period 1. Now we're at the access code. This is the access code that you're going to give your students so that they'll have access to your class. It must be at least 6 characters. I'm going to go with read 1, 2, 3, something short and simple. Now you have the option to upload a photo or you can simply save. I'm going to upload a photo. This photo can be changed later if you like. Once you're done, hit save in the top right corner. You have just created your class. As I said, this is going to be your best friend. So to locate your classes, you'll hit List. All of your classes will appear here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, be safe, be kind, be smart.